Okay, so now that we have the basics down and the site's pretty much put together for this example, now I'm just going to show you how to establish categories and put together blog posts. So before you put together a blog post, you might want to go ahead and establish your categories for the blog. So we just go to Posts, then the drop down menu, we click Categories. Okay, so it'll probably be best to make sure you have all of your blog posts categorized. That way it's going to be easier for people to find which blog they're looking for underneath a certain topic. Alright, so we can name, depending on what your blog is about, we can have different categories. So maybe I have a category that's about pit bulls. And we can do the description, we don't have to. Create another one called dog grooming. Do another one called pet supplies. And we can do another one called walking your dog. Okay, so these are just random categories I just made up off the top of my head. Now we're going to go back to post. Click on all post. I'm going to show you how to put together a post. To create a post, all you do is go right here, click add new. To edit them, you just click all posts and then click which one you want to edit. Okay, so we clicked add new post. Now I probably would recommend that you go ahead and you can type your article or your blog post outside of WordPress and then import it into here. Just copy and paste it, or I think with Microsoft Word you can directly import it into your WordPress website. Now what I normally do, if I'm not going to if I don't pre-type my blog post, what I do is I'll go to edit with Elementor and have it open up into the main editor. So you can see now we have the WordPress editor up. We have it open. So if we want to get rid of this right here, what we'll do is we can come over to settings, page settings, and we should be able to click this and this should hide the title for us. Okay, so now the title is hidden. You can see right now it's currently saying uncategorized, so we're going to need to edit that once we come out of this application. And simply to set up how you want your blog post to look. Now if you want to create your own, if you want to edit your settings of your title on how it appears, the heading, it's best that you probably use the Elementor page editor. That way you can really place it how you want to. You can control where the lines, you can control the font, and those other great features. So if I want to, I'm just gonna put something random, put yay dogs exclamation mark. Then we're just going to do a quick edit. Let's just make the text black for now. And we'll change the family to this one. And that's enough for that. And maybe I'll go back over here and align it to the left. And then simply to type up my blog post, drop it right in there, and then type it. So like I said, I do recommend that you probably type your blog post outside of this editor and just copy and paste it into this. That way you can set up exactly how you want it to look. But this is all you do to set up a blog post. You would just copy the text that you just typed up, put it in here. Once again, you do have the same control if you were building a page, same features when you're doing a post. So if you want to insert a picture, a video, social media links, all that can be controlled through right over here. So once we've done that, we're just going to click save, and we'll exit out. And now I'm going to categorize this blog post. Now since we just set up our categories, now we can come down, we can scroll down here, and we see right here it's under uncategorized. What we want to do is we want to click dog grooming. And if we want, we can tag the post also. So that's the most important thing to do. Once you set up your posts, it's so important that you make sure to tag and categorize your posts. That way it's easier for your viewers, your readers, whatever you want to call them, your subscribers, to find the content you put out. So in this lesson, you had learned how to publish a post and how to categorize it. I'll see you in the next video.